Hey guys, it's Ky'Lee here. Make sure you subscribe down below in the description box. Today we're gonna eat the colored food that we have on the plate, and there's gonna be in the so there's gonna be there's colors in here, and whatever color we get, then we have to eat it. So let's get back in the video.
Show them what you have, Ky'Lee.
Today we have some Skittles, cheese, and some Starbursts, and apples, and Oreos, and some cereal.
And who do you have here with you today?
My aunt!
Say hello.
Hey.
All right. So let's start. Ky'Lee, pull the first one. And read what color you have.
I got pink.
So you have to eat a pink item. And what did you pick?
I picked the color pink.
And what do you have?
And I got Starbursts. That's my aunt's turn. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Mommy, do you want to try?
I got green.
Green. Now I have to eat some.
A green Skittle. I'll put it back in here and
No.
Oh, you could leave it out for now.
Now it's my mommy's turn.
you didn't eat yours, Kyle.
I'm trying.
So I have red.
Mommy got red, so she had to eat something red.
I'm gonna do the apple.
They are pretty good. Here you go, Mom.
And you're still trying to eat your pink.
I love Starbursts. Let me throw this away.
Your turn to pick one.
Me again? I got orange.
So it's either cheese or a Skittle. But you got to eat that first.
Yeah.
So your aunt can go next.
Titi.
So right now, I thought I was waiting for you. I got black.
Good old Oreo there. We know Oreos are chocolate. We just put them under the color black.
Oreos aren't my favorite, but
She did it for you, Ky'Lee. You know your first item.
Now it's Mommy's turn.
You got to do your orange item, Ky'Lee.
Cheese. I love these. They're really good. Make sure you try them.
Okay.
Now it's Mommy's turn.
My color.
Oh. She got.
Green
That's green.
or purple. It's purple, ain't it?
Mommy have to eat something purple. I love these. Now
purple.
let's see which one next we're gonna get. Okay, it's my turn. I got orange again. I love it.
I think that was a setup. I think you just want the orange one.
It's Titi's turn.
trying to get.
A red.
Yes! That's what I want.
Yeah, she always loves that.
Pink.
Let her get another one because we only have one pink.
Yeah.
We can take pink out.
Another black.
Let her pick another one. Take black out.
Oh.
Take black out.
I don't even want black.
And another one that thick.
Oh, I know what you mean.
Green.
Green.
Go and get that other one.
Turn.
Take green out. Okay. We can put these back in here.
Okay, Mommy. What color do you get?
Red.
Red? You got another apple.
No, I'm gonna do a red Skittle this time.
Okay. Now it's my turn. Oh, yeah, it's my turn. I got red again. I got red. I'm gonna eat an apple.
Apple good?
Dang, don't eat it like it's all that.
You put the red back in there.
I got red. Yeah.
She finally got red.
These are pretty good.
You got that seed right there. Make sure you don't.
Don't tell me there's no seeds.
Okay, we'll do one more round. Whose turn is it? My turn? I got black.
Oreo.
This is what I have to eat. Okay, go ahead,
That
Kyle.
was a big chunk of apple.
I'm gonna eat this apple first.
Kylie's a slow eater.
I got orange. Or green. I got orange.
You gonna do the cheese or the orange Skittle?
Now it's my aunt's turn. I'm gonna shake it up first.
Oh, okay.
Here you go. These Skittles are pretty good.
Red.
You got red again.
Another apple.
That's my mommy's turn.
Okay, this is my last time. And I got brown.
Hey guys.
Good old Cheerios.
I didn't even know they were brown.
What color are
Nude.
they? Kylie said golden.
Or
All right,
beige.
so tell everyone about the game and tell them what's next and tell them you'll see them later.
What's next? Oh,
Next week when you do another video.
next week, we're gonna probably make tie-dye shirts. If you want to know how to make tie-dye shirts, it's easy. Peasy. Lemon squeezy. Bye.